Welcome. So in this video we will have a quick look at the Songbird network. So you can see here that the first block has been created 9 days ago and that the Songbird network has successfully launched. So we're currently at the block, well, let's see which block we are, at 115,683. And I'm also going to link the website. This is the Explorer you can use. You can see every 4 seconds, 3 seconds, a new block is being added to the blockchain. And it's, as we know, the Songbird network, slash the Flare network, has a advanced consensus mechanism based on Avalanche. It implements the EVM, so the Ethereum virtual machine, meaning that you can also just normally deploy any smart contract you can deploy on the Ethereum network, or also on the Binance Smart Chain or any other blockchain network that supports the Ethereum virtual machine. And this is the general website where you can just have a quick look at the at all the Songbird transactions which are happening right now. One thing I want to highlight is that unfortunately I still have to wait a day until I can buy some Songbird, so we'll do that and also make some follow-up videos how to use it. Unfortunately my XRP were on Coinbase during the date of the snapshot, and that's why I didn't get my Songbird yet, or maybe won't get my Songbird at all. So we'll see. So as you know, it depends where your XRP were during the snapshot date, and it depends on if the exchange does support it. And Coinbase, as far as I know, did not create a statement currently on if they intend to support it or not. And that's why I don't have it and can't try it. So as far as I know, it's true, Songbird will be listed on BitTrue tomorrow, so I will be getting some, so not much, but just a little bit Songbird to, test the features and create videos on it. And yeah, you can see here the transactions, so what's going on currently. You can see here the blocks which have been created. And also there you can see the top accounts, so we can look at all the accounts here. So who has how much there. So most of them, so I guess the bigger accounts are all exchanges. And we can also have a close look at all the tokens on on the Songbird network. So you can see here we've got wrapped Songbird. So as far as I know, these are the ones that are delegated. We've got all the finance products launched here, and I will make follow-up videos on all of that as soon as I can also test it and try it out. So that's it so far. So we'll, like I said, link the website here, and thanks for watching and see you in the next video.